The one room that she had offered me has a big window, and I do Brazilian waxing, so that window leads to the lobby.
Yeah.
That's, you know.
No.
And the other room just had a curtain around it, which I wasn't comfortable with.
Ms. Wallace, you don't recall that conversation
no,
in June?
not like that.
So you had no issues. You've never made a request to fix the AC.
No.
Her
I had an
raising.
esthetician in there before her for 3 years. No issue with the AC, the room, anything.
Did you enjoy working out of that space at all?
I was having to cancel clients because of the heat. I could not work in there due to my health
She never
condition.
told me any of this. Gave me a chance to get the air conditioner looked at or anything. She never.
I told you in June.
You did not say it like that. No, you did not. And it wasn't.
I shouldn't have to disclose why I'm asking for an AC repair